For today's video, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And here's the question. Given this equation, ABC equals 24, BCD equals 60, CDE equals 120, DEA equals 60, wherein A, B, C, D, and E are both integers, then our goal is to solve for the value of A, value of B, value of C, value of D, value of E. Thanks to Sir Avinet for suggesting this question. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so the question is, what are the values of A, B, C, D, and E, wherein all of them are both integers? Given this equation, A times B times C equals 24, BCD equals 60, CDE equals 120, DEA equals 60. Now, to answer this question, what we're going to do is to use first these two equations like this. Now notice that we have a common factor of BC on the first equation and BC on the second equation. So to eliminate this, let's divide these two equations like this. Now from here, we can now cancel out B on the numerator and C on the numerator and denominator. So this will result to A over D. Now, 24 over 60, we can simplify this as 2 over 5. So, 24 and 60 are divisible by 12. So, let's divide both by 12. Thus, this will result to, we see a while ago, 2 over 5. Next, let's set aside this result. And then, let's use the other two equations, the third and the fourth equation. Again, observe that we have a common factor of D on the third and DE on the fourth. So again, let's divide these two equations. Now, we can cancel out D on the numerator and the denominator, E on the numerator and the denominator. So the left side becomes C over A. Now, 120 over 60, we know also this is just 2 over 1. Now, here comes a thing. A is to D, or A over D, must be 2 to 5. C over A equals 2 over 1. So why not? This is also equivalent to 4 over 2. So why not use 4 over 2? Now why we do that? Because here is the thing. So A, if we do that, we can say that A equals 2, C equals 4, because C is to A is 4 is to 2, and A is to D is 2 is to 5. So if A is 2, then D also 5. Now take note, we can also use their equivalent. Like for example, if we multiply all of these numbers by 2, so we have here 8 over 4. And if we multiply this by 2, we have 4 over 10. So here A is 2, C is 8, and D is 10. But using those values, the other variable is not an integer. So we disregard this case. So let's focus on this case. Now we know that A is 2, C is 4, and D equals 5. Now let's set aside this and let's solve for the value of B and E. So let's use the first equation. Now we know that A is 2 and C is 4. So 2 times 4, this will give us 8B on the left side. So to get for the value of B, let's divide both sides by 8. 24 divided by 8, we know also this is just 3. So the value of B is just 3. Now how about the value of E? So let's use the fourth equation. We know D is 5 and A is just 2. So 2 times 5, this will give us 10E on the left side. Divide both sides by 10 to solve for the value of E. 60 divided by 10, this will give us 6. Again, this is okay because A, B, C, D, and E are all integers. So E must be equal to 6. Now the question, is this the only solution to this equation? Oops, let's wait. Because 4 over 2 and 2 over 5, we can rewrite this as negative 4 over 2 and a over d, we can write this as negative 2 over 5. So, from here, we can say that a equals negative 2, c equals negative 4, and d equals negative 5. So, the other case is when a is negative 2, c equals negative 4, d equals negative 5. Again, let's solve for the values of b and e. Now, from here, we know that a equals negative 2, c equals negative 4, and negative 2 times negative 4, this is also equal to positive 8. So, the left side is just, again, 8b equals 24. So, to get for the value of b, again, divide both sides by 8, and sure enough, we get a value of 3. So, b equals 3. So, again, if we solve for the value of e, we get also a value of 6. Therefore, given this equation, we have two possible values for a, b, c, and d. We have negative 2, 3, negative 4, negative 5, 6, or 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as always, we are done.